Lisa folding some clothes.
It's not a bag.
Maria looking at a very, very cute shirt. Little jacket thing.
Isn't it so cute? Orange, on this side.
This is for the clothes drive.
How did those get out here?
Look at Orange, go out there. Put it on.
Wait a minute. White balance, right?
Look at me in.
That is awesome.
Who puts underwear in the back?
Dan and Tyler rocking out over here. This is what happens on a typical Saturday morning. Yes, I had to. It was a must. I got Dan with the underwear on his shoulder and random feedback.